Hi there, tech readers. Today we're looking at the latest tracker from Fitbit. Fitbit was the market leader and now it's in a fight with Garmin for the market leadership, but it continues to innovate as we see in the Fitbit Versa over here. So the Fitbit Versa has a much bigger display than many of the previous Fitbits, which were very small strap devices. This has more in common with the Fitbit Blaze, for example, which was its previous top product. And the Versa is a little bit dainty for some people's wrists, including my own, but it does have all the important sensors that you're looking for there, for distance covered, for sleep tracking and that kind of thing. The thing that sets this particular model apart is its music function. So you can upload music onto the watch, which you then play through your Bluetooth headset, which is becoming an important feature on most of the leading trackers these days. The screen is really nice and bright and quite colorful. We kind of quite like that because you can customize your watch for your day and so on. We also particularly like that it has buttons. Many trackers and sports watches rely on the touch sensors on the screen, but we find that can be a bit dodgy if your fingers are full of sweat, perhaps you're shaking with adrenaline, or you're just exhausted. We prefer the positive feedback you get from pressing buttons on the side of the watch, and we like this has got 3 buttons to drive it, which is great. One of the things Fitbit has started adding to its trackers now is much better workout recognition. So we saw that with the top of the range Fitbit, which is called the Iconia, and it is great with recognizing what kind of sport you're participating in even before you've told it. But this has similar recognition for what kind of workout you're in, whether you're running or playing a sport. It should recognize what you're up to. This Fitbit is also one of the few Fitbits that's fully waterproof, so you can keep it on even when you're showering. But I think it responds to a lot of people's request for a watch they can use for swimming. A lot of people enjoy swimming, especially at the gym, and the Fitbit Versa does that for you. We found the music function was a really good idea, but we found it a bit poorly implemented. We really struggled to get music uploaded onto the watch. The only way it would accept music is if we could get the watch and our PC on the same Wi-Fi network. And no matter how many times we did that, we couldn't get the music to transfer onto the watch. This was very frustrating. It would have been perfectly simple to either use Bluetooth, which would have been a bit slower, but we could also take the watch cradle and plug that straight into the PC, and that would have been very fast and efficient. So we really struggled to get music uploaded onto this watch. We have no doubt that if we persevered, it would probably have worked out. But it didn't work out for us. Your mileage may vary. This is Fitbit's second from the top of the range now, with the Iconia being at the top of the range. It's a little more dainty, perhaps a little bit more ladylike, and it costs 3,000 Rand.